Right now, the world is pouring more money into one idea than almost anything in history. That idea is artificial intelligence. Trillions of dollars, the biggest companies on earth, all betting everything on it. But here's the thing, every single time in history that this much money has rushed into one idea this fast, it's ended the same way. A crash. The internet in 2000, houses in 2008, crypto in 2018. So the question isn't really is AI useful? It clearly is. The question is, are we building something real or are we inflating the biggest bubble we've ever seen? Let's break it down. This is gonna be real good, trust me. Think of a bubble like blowing up a balloon. At first it looks amazing, it just keeps growing. People get excited, they want in, so they blow even harder. But a balloon can only stretch so far before it pops. And when it pops, it doesn't matter how good it looked 5 seconds earlier. A financial bubble works the same way. People pay huge amounts of money for something not because of what it's actually worth today, but because they believe it'll be worth even more tomorrow. As long as new money keeps coming in, the price keeps climbing. The moment new money slows down, the whole thing can collapse fast. In the year 2000, that balloon was the internet. Any company with .com in its name saw its stock price explode, even if it had no customers and no real product. Then it popped. The stock market lost over 3/4 of its value in that sector. It took 15 years to fully recover. Today, some of the biggest banks and investors in the world are looking at AI and saying this looks a lot like 2000. So let's look at why. Here's problem number one. A lot of AI companies are spending way more money than they're making. Thousands of AI startups have launched in the last 2 years. A huge number of them have already shut down. And multiple industry studies now expect somewhere between 7 and 9 out of every 10 AI startups to fail or get bought out cheaply within the next couple of years. Many of these companies make $0 in actual revenue. Not a little. Zero. And it's not just small startups. Even some of the biggest AI companies in the world are losing huge amounts of money. One report this year estimated OpenAI could lose around $14 billion in 2026 alone. Another found that for every $1 Elon Musk's AI company xAI brings in, it spends about 26. To be fair, not every AI company is in trouble. Some are much better at controlling their spending than others. But across the industry, the pattern is the same one we saw in 2000. Massive spending now, on a promise that huge profits will show up later. The problem is, investors don't wait forever, and that's usually where bubbles start to crack.